Meet Lanmodo, the world's first 4-season automatic car tent that offers all-in-one vehicle protection, portable power source, and travel shelter. Lanmodo offers year-round absolute protection for any vehicle. With only 30 seconds to set up and 8 seconds to open or close, it's designed with you in mind. One charge and you're ready to go for up to 45 days. With cutting-edge 3-layer PU silver-coated technology, Lanmodo products from bird drops, dust, sap, acid rain, and is incredibly easy to clean. The reflective polyester film keeps your vehicle incredibly cool on hot days. It even works well in low temperatures and protects your vehicle against snow or hail. In snowy day, you can set up the automatic shaking snow system on the top of Lanmodo, and no worries to clean snow anymore. We've included high-strength fiberglass and tough materials to protect your car from falling objects. The 4-season tent is secured to the roof of the car with extra-strength suction cups. 2 layers canopy makes it more windproof, and the 4 wind ropes allows Lanmodo to withstand strong winds up to 30 miles per hour. We've designed Lanmodo to be large enough to protect any car, and still packed down small enough to fit snugly in the trunk of your car. Additional flaps transforms Lanmodo into various shelters for outdoor activities, like a beach umbrella, a camping tent, and so much more. We've even included a USB port for charging or powering your devices on the go. Anywhere you're going, we've got you covered.